just wake up one morning and say we are taking the government to court. There has to be something that they are concerned about.
Umengameli unxuse ukuthi uhulumeni enze kangcono ukuhlinzeka abantu ngesidingo ukuze bangambophisi njengoba ehlala ehluleka kulawo macala avulelwa wona.
It is meant firstly to enhance access to justice for our people and to deepen constitutional democracy. The establishment of this forum is a signal of our collective determination to implement intergovernmental coordination and to drive efficiencies that reduce the considerable financial burden of lawsuits against government.
Umengameli wezwe uthi baningi kakhulu abantu abavulela uhulumeni amacala bembopha ikakhulukazi ngekhathi zokuqubuka kobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19.
During the whole process of COVID, we had, I don't remember, even up to 60, 80, even more legal suits. Citizens, entities, and all that trying to sue government. What helped us was that because the state of disaster management process was coordinated and we were able to know that a case had been launched in Cape Town, in Durban, and so on, and we were then able to work together.
Umengameli uthi bengumbuso bayazama ukuthi ehle amacala avulelwe uhulumeni ngoba lokhu kudla izindodla zemali. Ungqongqoshe wezobulungiswa Ronald Lamula uthi loluhlaka luzosiza kakhulu njengoba bebaningi abantu abahambayo beyomangalela umbuso.
The state of our medical legal claims and police claims paints a dark picture of the state contingent liability. We intend to host this event annually to continue to share news on the improvement of state litigation services and also to take stock of emerging jurisprudence from our court.
Ngingu Calvin Dludla, wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.